Three-bedroom home under $400,000 in one of Florida's best school districts? Let's go check it out. This three-bedroom, two-bath home in the Orlando suburb is a showstopper, listed at $399,000 and is located on a cul-de-sac in Chuluota, Florida. Move-in ready, this home has no HOA and is zoned for one of the best public school systems in the Orlando, Florida area. If you enjoy being outdoors, then you'll love how close this home is to Lake Mills Park, one of the only lakes in Seminole County to offer public access to a kayak launch. Publix grocery store is conveniently located 1.5 miles away, and the shops and restaurants at Oviedo on the Park, a quick 15-minute drive. The eat-in kitchen in this home is a perfect balance, open to the family room with views out to the backyard, yet still has some separation. The split floor plan with primary suite on one side and 2 guest rooms and bath on the other offers peace and privacy. There's plenty of storage throughout, with a walk-in closet in the primary bedroom and 2 linen closets near the guest rooms. The home has Duralux waterproof luxury vinyl floors throughout, 5-inch baseboards, and new doors and frames. But let's talk about the big ticket items. This home has a new roof put on in 2025, new water heater, and new privacy fence. So if you're looking for a truly move-in ready home in a high-rated school district with no HOA, then this may be the one for you. Give us a call to schedule a showing. And if this isn't the one, the Teston Team has helped over 450 buyers and sellers in the Central Florida area, and we'd be happy to help you too.